in today's lecture of statistics, part 2, chapter number 1, sums related with the probability, and we will start exercise number 1, section B, sum number 16. Pawan, read kar do, Pawan.
Yes, sir.
What is given particular? Just read it. P of A is equal to what?
Sir, section C में ना
Section B.
section B में 15 number
0.7 P of B.
P is
0.7.
equal to 0.7, and you have asked that you have to find P of A dash intersection B dash. Yes or
B dash.
not?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, आज जो करवा रहा हूं वो परफेक्ट समझना.
Yes, sir.
क्या करूंगा? P of A is equal to 0.5, then P of A dash is equal to 1 minus P of A.
Yes.
Can we
Yes,
write?
sir.
Yes,
So 1 minus 0.5 is equal to,
0.5.
0.5.
now P of B is equal to 0.7. So P of B dash is equal to 1 minus P of B is equal to 1 minus 0.7, then
0.3.
0.7.
0.3. Okay, now you have to find P of A dash intersection B dash. Just put a law of multiplication. P of A dash into P of B dash, nothing else. So 0.5 into 0.3.
0.15.
0.15, write down or write with me fast. फटाफट लिख
Yes,
के जाओ.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Complete. लिख लिया.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then next 17.
Yeah, man.
In sum number 17, it is given that P of A is equal to 0.8, P of A intersection B is equal to 0.25, and you have to find
P of A minus B.
very simple sum. P of A is equal to 0.8, P of A intersection B is equal to 0.25. Now I have to find P of A minus B. You have to remember just the formula here. P of A minus P of A intersection B. Easy to find?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
चलो करने लगो फटाफट मेरे साथ.
Yes, sir.
Next sum we have P of A is equal to 0.3. but ये कंडीशन है, नहीं पूछेंगे आपको. Sum number 19, P of A is equal to P of B is equal to K. P of A union B फाइंड करना है. क्या फाइंड करना है?
A union
P
B.
of A union B.
P of A is equal to P of B is equal to K. So P of A is equal to,
સર લાઈટ બંધ થતી હોય તો કરો ને બહુ રિફ્લેક્શન આવે. હા બસ હવે દેખાય.
P of A is equal to K, then P of B is equal to K, and so P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
चलो कर लो. चलो कंप्लीट.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
समझ पड़े છે ને બધાને?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
કોઈ લીવ ના થતા. હેતી આવી ગયો, હેત પટેલ, ઈશા જૈન,
Yes, sir.
So આમાં 2K જ આન્સર ને, એ જ આન્સર ને.
હા બસ 2k જ આન્સર, k ની વેલ્યુ નથી આપી આપણને.
ઓકે સર.
चलो नेक्स्ट 20 नंबर का जो सम है ना, उसमें यू हैव टू जस्ट रिमेंबर द फॉर्मूला बिकॉज देयर इज नो पर्टिकुलर मेथड टू काउंट दिस सम. ओके, आई जस्ट राइट अ फॉर्मूला हियर. P of A dash intersection B is equal to P of B minus A, and it is P of B minus P of A intersection B. ये तीनों इक्वल है. तीनों क्या है?
Equal.
Equal.
अब आपको सम के अंदर क्या दिया है? P of A dash intersection B is given to you.
Yes.
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 0.45.
0.45.
0.45 is equal to P of B minus A is given.
No.
Null.
No.
Then what is given to you?
A intersection B is null.
P of A intersection B is equal to null. Null यानी 0.
0.
Yes.
Okay, so what is P of B for you?
0.45.
0.45.
45.
0 है तो कोई चेंज नहीं होगा ना.
No, sir.
ओके, और प्रोबेबिलिटी की वैल्यू हमेशा पॉजिटिव आती है, नेगेटिव नहीं आती. ओके,
Yes.
Yes.
चलो सम नंबर 21 क्या दिया है देखो.
P of A is equal to 1/3.
नहीं, two events A and B in a sample space are mutually exclusive and exhaustive event. When P of both events are mutually exclusive and exhaustive, then P of A plus B is equal to
1.
1. तो P of A दिया या P of B दिया देखो.
P of A.
A.
P of A.
कितना दिया है?
1/3.
1/3.
1/3 plus P of B is equal to 1. ओके,
Yes.
Yes.
अब 1/3 बड़ा या 1 बड़ा?
1 बड़ा है.
तो 1/3 मूव दैट साइड तो माइनस होगा.
Yes,
Yes.
1 minus 1/3.
तो P of B is equal to 1 minus 1/3. 3 1 जा 3.
2/3.
उसमें से एक कैंसिल हुआ तो P of B क्या आया?
2/3.
2/3.
समझ में आया ये?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
sir.
क्यों आया?
Yes, sir.
ओके, ट्वेंटी सेकंड नंबर का सम देखो.
Sir,
हाँ,
sir, 2 marks માટે છે કે 3 marks માટે? 1 mark.
चलो 20 सेकंड नंबर रीड करो. रामी रीड कर दो. आयुष.
हाँ सर. Two person items in a lot are defective. What is the probability that an item randomly selected from this lot is non-defective?
Okay, now number of total units are not given, but 2% is given. Then assume that total number of units is 100%. अब 100% में 2% डिफेक्टिव है तो नॉन डिफेक्टिव कितने परसेंट हुए?
98%.
98.
परसेंट है तो 98/100 हो गए।
Yes.
Yes.
98/100 करो, कितने हुए?
0.98.
वो डायरेक्ट आपका आंसर है, कुछ लिखना नहीं है, बस ओरली कैलकुलेशन करके आंसर टिक मार्क कर देना है। क्लियर और नॉट?
Yes.
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 Here.
Okay. Now just move on section C. Section C. चलो सम नंबर 12 से स्टार्ट करते हैं। कौन से वाले सम से?
12.
12.
12. They all are calculation related sums. ये सारे सम किसके हैं?
Calculation.
Calculate.
Calculation और सिंपल फॉर्मूलाज यू हैव टू पुट। जितने मैंने करवाए वही बार-बार रिपीट करो। चलो व्हाट इज गिवन बट बोल दो। सेक्शन सी।
Question number 12. P of A is equal to 1 by 3.
What?
P of A is equal to 1 by 3.
P of A is equal to 1 by 3. Then P
P
of
of
B is
B
equal
is
to
equal to 2 by 3. फिर P of A intersection B is equal to 1 by 6. And
Then you have
we
to
have to find
A
P
dash
of A dash
intersection B dash। ये फाइंड करना है ना?
Yes, sir.
P of A dash intersection B dash आपको फाइंड करना है। ओके। और मैंने आगे आपको एक चीज बताई थी, इट्स अ डी मॉर्गन्स लॉ बताया था।
Yes.
So when P of A dash intersection B dash is given, then you will ask, you can write like P of A union B dash। आप ऐसा लिख सकते हो, P of A union
B dash.
B dash.
B dash। और इसको अगर चेंज करना है तो 1 माइनस P of A यूनियन B। क्या आया?
1 minus P of A.
A of A union B.
हम लोग ऐसा करते थे ना, P of A dash, पता है?
Yes.
हाँ,
तो क्या लिखते थे? 1 माइनस P of A। तो ये पूरा ब्रैकेट A ले लो, P of A यूनियन B dash, तो 1 माइनस P of
A union
A
B.
union B.
अब मेरे पास कौन सी वैल्यू होनी चाहिए? A यूनियन B होना चाहिए मुझे।
Yes.
Yes.
तो इस इक्वेशन से हम लोग A यूनियन B फाइंड कर सकते हैं।
Yes.
Yes.
कौन सी इक्वेशन आई? ये P of A प्लस P of B माइनस P
Law
of A
of
इंटरसेक्शन B।
addition.
ये लॉ ऑफ एडिशन आया।
Yes.
Yes.
चलो राइट डाउन, सम काउंट कर लो। ये ईसा तीसा बोलते रहो।
आ गया आंसर सर 1 by 6
1 by 3 आंसर आ गया तेरा?
1 by 6
1 by 6 इसका क्या आया?
5 by 6
वेरी गुड। थर्टीन नंबर का सम कंडीशन है तो वो आपको नहीं करना है। चलो कंप्लीट।
Yes.
ओके नाउ सम नंबर 14। साहिल बोल तो क्या दिया है?
If the events A and B are independent and 3PA is equal to 2PB is equal to 0.12, then find A intersection B.
3P of A is equal to 2P of B is equal to 0.12। देव शाह, ध्रुव दर्जी।
Yes, sir.
रीड कर दो।
3P of A is equal to 2P of B is equal to 0.12.
So 3P of A is equal to 0.12 लिखा है।
Yes.
And 2P of B is equal to 0.12 लिखा है। ध्रुव दर्जी।
Yes, sir.
Yes.
હવે આ 3 મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન માં છે આ સાઈડ જાય તો શું થાય બોલ હે
એટલે કોઈ ખબર ના પડી, ફરથી બોલો.
આ 3 તમ દેખાય છે આંધળા
હા.
હવે એ આ બાજુ જાય તો માઈનસ થાય કે ડિવાઈડ થાય મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન હોય તો ઓલવેઝ ડિવાઈડ જ થાય યાદ રાખ
હા. હા. ડિવાઈડ.
So P of A is equal to 0.12 by 3 થયા
0.04.
અને આનું શું થશે બોલતો દેવાંશ બોલતો પઢિયાર
Sir, 0.12 divided by 2.
વેરી ગુડ
0.06.
0.06.
અહીંયા 0.06
Yes, sir.
0.04. 04.
okay P of A and P of B already find by us now आगे क्या find करना है देखो P of A union B find करना है क्या find करना है
Sir, intersection.
Intersection.
છે સર.
हाँ,
Intersection છે, sir.
सिंपल म्यूचुअली है जो A intersection B is equal to nothing P of A into P of B
Yes. 0.04 into 0.06.
यस काउंट कर लो चलो जल्दी से खत्म करो
0.0024.
ના પણ ત્યાં બેહી ગયું છે. એ રાજા અહીંયા ઓલું પોર્ટલ હોય છે કહો એન્ડ પોર્ટલ મને લાગી રહ્યું કેમ કે આ એરિયા એ જ છે.
ना समझ पड़े तो पूछजो आ आयुष सोनी रामी बता पूछजो बेसी ना रहता
આપણે જેમને એન્ડ પોર્ટલ હોય છે ક્યાં હે તું
दक्षेश
પડી સર ખબર.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
चलो नेक्स्ट सम मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट सम नंबर 15 सम नंबर
15.
मानुश्री
Yes, sir.
बेटा रीड कर दो
If phi P of A is equal to 3, P of B is equal to 2, P A union B is equal to 3 by 2 for two events A and B, then find P A dash union B dash.
बोलो ओके चलो 5P of A is equal to 3P of B પછી 2P of
A union B.
A union B
is
is
equal to
3 by 2.
2 by 2.
ओके चलो શું થઈ શકશે મને કહો બધાના ઇક્વલ ટુ માં શું છે
3 by 2.
3 by 2.
તો 5P
So-
of A is equal to 3 by 2 થશે
3 by 2.
Yes.
And 5P of B is equal to 3 by 2.
3P of B is equal to 3 by 2 થશે
Yes.
Yes.
અને 2P of A union B is equal to પણ 3 by 2 થશે
3 by 2. Yes.
Yes, sir.
હવે આ મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન માં છે ડાઉનવર્ડ ધેન
3 by 10.
3 by
3 by
10.
10.
okay so P of A is equal to 3 upon 10 directly I write पता चलेगा ना
Yes.
Yes, sir.
okay this one 3 in a multiplication so P of B is equal to
1 by 2
1 by
3 by
2.
6.
3 by 6 रखो ना क्यों चेंज कर दे चलो 2 नीचे गया तो P
3
of
by
A
4. 3 by 4.
okay now from these I have to find A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B is it clear
Yes.
yes
can we write like this A intersection B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B हम ऐसा लिख सकते हैं
Yes.
yes
okay
Yes,
but in your sum it is given that you have to find A dash union B dash आपको क्या find करना है
A dash union B
P of
dash.
A
A dash union B dash.
okay so it's a De Morgan's law P of A dash union B dash is equal to 1 minus P of A intersection B. 1 minus P of
A intersection.
intersection B.
ये याद रहेगा डी मॉर्गन लॉ की फॉर्मूला
Yes.
Yes.
100%.
Yes.
Yes.
ओके तो चलो कंप्लीट कर लो.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sum number 20. 6 persons have a passport in a group of 10 persons. Having passport. 4 person. बोलो क्या है?
Without passport.
Does not having passport, others without passport. Now read again. If 3 persons are randomly selected, you have to select 3 persons from 10. So your n is equal to 3 selected. चलो कौन बोलेगा इसका आंसर? 10 से 3 का आंसर बोलो. कितना?
480.
120.
120.
नीचे डिवाइड कर. 10 into
120, 120, sir.
720 divided by 6. क्रिस गज्जर 120 आया, पता चला?
हाँ.
ओके. अब देखो फर्स्ट वन. All 3 persons have a passport. So your event A is equal to probability that all 3 persons have passport. Okay. How many persons have a passport here?
6.
6.
And from this you have to select 3. So 6 C3. चलो इसका आंसर बोलो.
20.
M is equal to 20. So P of A is equal to
M upon
M upon N.
M upon N.
20 by 120.
1 by 6.
1 by.
By 6.
Easy to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. चलो
Yes,
event
sir.
B बोलो.
2 persons among them do not have a passport.
Probability that 2 persons do not have a passport. Okay. It means 2 persons ऐसे जो पासपोर्ट के बिना है, तो एक पर्सन कैसा होगा? बोलो.
पासपोर्ट वाला.
विथ पासपोर्ट
With
ना,
passport.
तो 2 into 1 विथ पासपोर्ट करेंगे. ये कंडीशन समझ में आई, हाँ या ना?
Sir, मैंने
Yes.
नहीं.
Yes, sir.
आपको 3 पर्सन सिलेक्ट करना है. इट इज गिवन टू योर इन योर सम. यस और नॉट?
Yes.
Yes. In this probability it is given that 2 person does not have a passport. It means 3 person में से 2% ऐसे है कि जिसके पास पासपोर्ट नहीं है. तो 1 जो है वो
Passport.
Passport
वाला.
वाला.
because we have selected 3 person. हमें कितने पर्सन चाहिए?
3 persons.
3 person.
ओके, पता चला ये?
Yes, sir.
2 है तो फिर
4C2
into
6C1.
61. तो 4C2 का आंसर बोलो. 4 into 3 divided by 2. तो 3 2s are 6. 6 into 6.
36.
36.
So P of D is equal to
3 by 10.
3 by.
M upon N 36 by 120. कर लोगे? कितना आया बोलो?
3 by 10.
3 by 10.
Very good. चलो काउंट कर लो.
Done.